Hello everyone, myself Rohit Garwal. I am student of Physical Education Department from Lovely Professional University. My registration number is 12106056. As you assume or you can think in prior time that I am doing drills with football, then you can assume that today I am going to demonstrate some skills or drills of football, and I will also add some briefing of football, and I will also add some physical fitness exercises that will help you to enhance your performance in football. So first I want to brief you about football. You can play football as an attacker, as a midfielder, as a defender, or as a goalkeeper. Attackers are those mainly who scores goal for their team, and midfielders, I can say midfielders are the backbone of their team because they defend the ball, they clears the ball, they saves the ball, they also pass the ball, they are also included in goal, they assist the ball, and then defenders who clears the ball, who protect our goal post from the opponent team, and then goalkeeper, who is the most important person I can say for team, who saves the goal for their team. Okay, so now we will move toward some physical fitness exercise that will definitely help you to enhance your performance. So I will tell you that we will do some fitness exercises. So we will move from our high knee to some jumps. So we have to do high knee like in this motion. We have to do high knee, then we have to do side high knees in right direction also. So these high knees increase your stride power to run with the ball. Then I will also do exercise that will increase your footwork. So this will help you in your fitness or to become a rhythmic player. Then you have to do some jumps like this. These jumps increase your muscle power, make your hamstring strong, so that can be pulled during your match. You also have to do these exercises. Okay, so now we will move to our drill or skill section. Let's go. Okay, so now we are moving towards some drills or skill section. I will perform some short passes, that how we have to pass over nearby players. Then I will move towards lofted और long kicks. ठीक है, उसके बाद हम जो है मूव करेंगे हेडिंग सेक्शन की ओर कि हेड जो है हमें कैसे करना है, डिफेंस रीजन में हेड कैसे करना है, अटैक रीजन में हेड कैसे करना है. सो अभी जो है हम शॉर्ट पासेस की ओर मूव करते हैं. आपको शॉर्ट पास जो है वो कुछ इस एरिया से पास करना है, आपको बॉल को कुछ इस तरह से. ये शॉर्ट पासेस है आपके इस तरह से शॉर्ट पास करते हैं. उसके बाद में आप शॉर्ट पास इस तरह से चलते हुए अपने नियर बाई प्लेयर को इस तरह से पास कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद में आप यहाँ से चलते हुए इस तरह से शॉर्ट पास कर सकते हैं और आप इधर आगे जा सकते हैं. और आपका असिस्ट प्लेयर जो है वो आपको वापस बॉल पास कर सकता है. आप कुछ ड्रिलिंग भी कर सकते हैं बीच बीच में. ये कुछ इस तरह से डिफेंस को कवर करने के लिए इस तरह से. So now we will move towards lofted section. Lofted area की हमें जो है lofted kicks कैसे लेनी है रीजन क्लियर करने के लिए और कॉर्नर किक्स लेने के लिए. अभी मैं कुछ lofted kicks लेने जा रहा हूँ. lofted kicks आपको कुछ इस तरह से लेनी है ताकि लॉन्ग रीजन क्लियर हो सके. पोस्ट कर ले पोस्ट. लॉफ्टेड किक का शॉट देखा. इस शॉट में जो है आपको एक कॉर्नर्स में आप बहुत हेल्पफुल रहेगा. आपको लेफ्ट कॉर्नर राइट कॉर्नर से आप जो है अपने टीममेट्स को पास देने के लिए जो है ये लॉफ्टेड किक यूज़ कर सकते हैं. और डिफेंडर्स जो है इस किक को जो है अपना रीजन जो है वो क्लियर करने के लिए जो है यूज़ करते हैं. इसके अलावा हम लॉन्ग पासेस के लिए भी इसको यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, नाउ वी विल मूव टुवर्ड आवर हेडिंग सेक्शन. लेट्स गो. toward our heading section and how we have to perform heads. Okay. Like this. We have to jump. Okay, like this. We have to jump and then we have to push our upper body to kick the ball. Oh. Like this. Oh. Okay, this is our heading section. You can hit like this, or like this. Okay. Okay, so now we are moving towards our penalty shootout or our goalkeeping. First, I will demonstrate you that how goalkeeper has to work, how he has to stop the ball, how he has to protect the goal post. So we have to stand like this in a very cool motion, and we have to be in a jumping or rhythmic motion. Then we have to save the ball like this in left side, in a corner ball. Okay, and save in right side, and then jump ball like this, or we have to save collect like this. So now I will demonstrate you that how we have to save the ball. Oh shit! Okay. So as you see that I am not active, so the opponent kicks the penalty or he scores. Now I have to active. Now I will save the ball like this. I will demonstrate some more kicks to you. Okay. So we have to save ball like this. Now I will show that how we have to kick the penalties. So now I am going to kick the ball. I am going to take the penalty shootouts that are so actually crucial moments when we play 90-minute game of 2 halves, then we add 15 minutes of 2 more halves. Then if game will be drawn, then penalty shootouts are going to be there. So I'm going to take penalties. So now, as you see, oh, nice save. He saved the ball on his top hand. Oh, what a goal! What a goal! I can't show you our goalkeeping skills of another man, but you can see the kick I'm taking. Oh, another goal! Last score, 1-2. So as you see, we are so tired. Now we have to end up our shoot. I will also mostly demonstrate all things like heading, kicking, lofted kicks, short passes, and some skills, some drills, some fitness exercises, and goalkeeping and penalty shoots out. So that's all from Rohit Garhwal. Now I am signing off, and I request you all that please do some exercises, fitness exercises at your home, because we are moving from a COVID time. So we have to be fit, we have to cure this problem, cure this disease. And now I am signing off. Jai Hind. Thank you.